Hi dear students, let's learn about the important functions of IgM, all of which are important MCQs. Now M stands for millionaire. So the first point I would want you all to remember about IgM is that the intravascular IgM is known as millionaire molecule because it's a very heavy molecule. It's a pentamer joined together by a J chain. So the expected valency is going to be 10, but the actual valency drops down to 5 because of steric hindrance. Now such a heavy molecule, such a big molecule is going to find it extremely tough to leave the blood and enter tissues. So 80% of this pentameric molecule is present in the blood and no points for guessing. The deficiency of IgM is associated with septicemias. Is there any place where this molecule is present as a monomer? Yes, IgM is decorated on the surface of B cells as a B cell receptor or BCR, and apart from IgM BCRs, the B cells are also decorated with IgD antibodies as BCRs. So remember, M and D, that is managing directors of B cells, are IgM antibody and IgD antibody. Now M also stands for me first. So remember, this is the class of antibody which is going to be synthesized first after an infection. So this is the antibody of primary immune response or acute infection or recent infection. Not just that, in the event of an intrauterine infection, the fetus is going to synthesize this class of antibody, that is IgM, and the synthesis is going to occur approximately around 20 weeks of gestation. This antibody, that is IgM, is also known as agglutinating antibody because it participates pretty well in agglutination reactions, and it's the most potent activator of the classical pathway of complement, and therefore is appropriately regarded as the lytic antibody, because at the end of complement activation we get a very lethal weapon for the microorganism, that is membrane attack complex or MAC, which is going to cause lysis of the microbe by getting itself inserted into the membrane of the microbe and therefore bringing about its lysis.